This is the algebraic expression of a trinomial. I would have the students join me at the rug. We have our 10 square, and I've broken it up so that if we look at the edges of our square, we have 2 plus 3 plus 5, and it's the same going down. 2 plus 3 plus 5. If we multiplied those together, that would give us our total of the square. But we are looking at the algebraic expression, so we're going to substitute those numbers with letters. Up here I have A. The side will be the same. We're going to label this section of 3 with a B. And this section is also 3, so that is also our B. And then our last section of 5, we will substitute the letter C. Now if we start looking here, we have A times A would be our A squared. Next to it, we would have A times B, as well as below, A times B. We have another square here in the center, B times B, or B squared. Then up here, we have A times C, and that's the same down here in the left lower quadrant, A times C. Up here, we would have B times C, and then again, B times C. And our last square would be C squared, or C times C. I would have the students help me at the bottom of the rug to create our trinomial expression. Starting at the top left quadrant, A squared. We would be adding A times B, adding A times B, adding our B squared, adding A times C. We have another A times C that we would add. Then we have B times C. We have another B times C. And then our last square we would add is our C squared. We have worked before in combining similar equations. So we would keep A squared. Here we have 2 times A times B. We would add our B squared. And again, we have 2 of the same with A times C. We could combine that. 2 times A times C. Then we have B times C 2 times. And then last, we have our C squared. And this would be the algebraic expression of a trinomial.